In this video, we will present the Satin Serial Outline type. By default, when you create an object, it gets a fill and an outline type. Let's remove the fill to make it easier to see the outline. The default applied outline type is running. For outline types, the width of the outline is the most important option. The default outline width is 0.4 millimeters, which is the actual thread width. If you increase the outline width, then the software automatically adjusts the outline. For example, for 0.8 millimeters outline width, a double pass is added to make the running line thicker. For more than 1 millimeters, the outline type changes into Satin Serial. Additionally, once you have an object selected, you can simply click onto the Satin Serial icon from the Outline tab on the Properties toolbar to set its outline to Satin Serial. Satin Serial is a kind of zigzag stitches added on top of the outline. You can make it wider or thinner just by increasing or decreasing the width of the outline. Let's see how you can customize Satin Serial. Density is the distance between two zigzags. You can take control of the density by clicking on this checkbox. Now you can type a value. Lowering the value makes the zigzags to come closer, while increasing the value increases the distance. Compensation is related to the shrinking that an embroidery part may cause. The shrink depends on the fabric, the tension of the thread, and the speed of the machine. So you can change the compensation value when you think that the result will pull. The underlay is a very important factor that affects the embroidery quality. The stitches that go first are called underlay, and they support the stitches on top. You can only preview the underlay using slow redraw. For this satin bar, the auto-selected underlay was a double line. If you wish to have a lighter underlay, you can add, for example, a single line. Or if you want a heavier underlay, you may select netting. This one adds a double line and an additional net before the satin stitches. There are also some underlays that help you build a more prominent satin serial, more of a 3D effect. Such underlays add multiple layers of narrow satin stitches in order to produce that plump satin bar. Remove overlaps and sequence options are described into separate videos.